Hey everybody, welcome to my Acorns referral code video. Basically, Acorns is an investing app, and if you use my link and you sign up and I believe invest at least $5, then you'll get $5 as part of a referral. So if you want to check out the link, basically what you can do is you can invest your spare change, save for later, grow your knowledge. There is a cost to sign up, just so you know. You can sign up for just $1 or $3 per month and start investing spare change from your purchases. And it's super strong encryption, so it's not easy for people. It has 256-bit encryption, bank level security. You can invest spare change with every swipe, save money from no hidden fees, and fee reimbursed nationwide ATMs, which is nice. You can automatically set aside money from your paycheck. What's kind of neat, they have a video here too, but what's kind of neat is I went ahead and signed up, and then it asks you some questions about obviously your age, when do you think you're going to retire, like how long before you're going to want your money, things like that, and then how aggressive you want to invest that money. So I went ahead and said I wanted to aggressively invest it, and they have like modern, moderate, and light, and things like that. So what's kind of cool is then it tells you the breakdown of where the money goes. So it's actually really neat. It's a really cool app and program. There's 7 million people that are doing it, and you can actually invest such a little amount. You can start off. I think I decided to invest $5 a week to start off, just so you know. So, anyways, if you want, go ahead and check it out. Use my link. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comments, and I'll be happy to try and get back to you. Thanks, and have a great day.